morning, students. Today I would like to discuss about IUPAC nomenclature. In the previous class, we had discussed that the nomenclature compound of main words, root word, suffix, primary suffix we learned. Now we would like to discuss about secondary suffix. Secondary suffix means secondary suffix is nothing but functional group. Functional group. What is meant by a functional group means an atom or group of atoms. An atom or group of atoms. Group of atoms which explains the nature of compound is called functional group. Functional group. OH, alcohol. OH, alcohol. Alkane plus ol, alkanol. Alkane plus alcohol. Alkanol. 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 CH3OH. Methanol. Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. This one is considered as methanol. Methanol. Alkane plus aldehyde. Alkane plus aldehyde. Alkanol. This is all, this is all. CH3, CHO. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. This is called ethanol. Ethanol. These are the generic names. COOH group is there means carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. C double bond O group is there, ketone. Main these 3-4 words are most important in that one. So many things are there like this, so many functional groups are there. Here bond is nothing but alkyl groups. This bond is nothing but alkyl groups. So see here alkane plus alcohol means this is alcohol, this is alkyl group. Alkyl whole, this is only methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol means methanol. Like this we can write. The next one is, before going to that one, note. If a compound contains more than one functional group, if a compound contains more than one functional group, more than one functional group, highest priority acts as main functional group. Highest priority acts as main functional group, remaining or access, remaining or acts as secondary functional groups or side chains. Secondary functional groups. Secondary functional groups are side chains. Secondary functional groups means second grade functional groups. Second grade functional groups is nothing but side chains. Now we would like to discuss about prefix. Prefix. The part before the root word is called prefix. This is again two types: primary prefix, secondary prefix, primary prefix, if the given compound is, if the given compound is cyclic, then primary prefix is present. Then primary prefix is present. Otherwise primary prefix is absent. Primary prefix is absent. Example: CH2, bond CH2, bond CH2. 1, 2, 3 carbons are there means pro. All are single bonds in between carbon and carbon, ANE, propane. This is cyclic, so cyclo. Its name is cyclopropane. Cyclo is the primary prefix. Prop is the root word. A is the primary suffix. CH2, 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 bond CH2. Cyclobutane, cyclobutane. This is ring compound, so cyclo. 4 carbons are there means but. All are single bonds means ane. CH2, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CH2. This is a ring compound. 5 carbons are there. All are single bonds. Cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. If suppose is any compound is not cyclic compound like this, CH3, bond CH, double bond CH, bond CH2, bond CH3. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there. At second carbon unsaturation is there. Pent 2 in, pent 2 in, but not a cyclic compound. This is an open chain. Open chain means primary prefix is absent. Open sign means primary prefix is absent. If the given compound is closed sign or ring compound, primary prefix is present. If the given compound is like this, open sign means there is no primary prefix. Next, secondary prefix. Secondary prefix. If the compound contains more than one functional group, if the compound contains more than one functional group, or any other side chains, or any other side chains, are called secondary prefixes. Secondary prefixes. That means the compound contains two or more functional groups, means one is the main functional group, the remaining all are side chains. If there is no functional groups but side chains are there, the side chains also considered as secondary prefixes. How well that one? Examples. Example: CH3, CH, bond CH2, bond COOH, and OH also there. See, before time in note we discussed that when a compound contains more than one functional group, here two functional groups are there. One is carboxylic acid and another one is alcohol. In between these two ones, which one having highest priority, that is acts as main functional group. COOH is acts as a main functional group, the reason this is having highest priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there, so its name is bute. All are single bonds means ANEN. Remove last letter E and write the functional group name as secondary suffix name is oic acid, butanoic acid. What about this functional group? Means here this functional group acts as a side chain. Whenever the functional group is, every functional group having two type of names. One is prefix name and another one is suffix name. If that acts as a main functional group means suffix name. If that acts as a side chain means prefix name. Here OH acts as a side chain. So its prefix name is hydroxy. Its prefix name is hydroxy at third position. So 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. 3 hydroxy butanoic acid. The compound doesn't contain any functional group, but side chains are there. How it is that one? CH3, CH2, CH, bond CH2, bond CH3. Here chlorine is there. Chlorine is not a functional group but side chain. Chlorine is not a functional group. It is a side chain. How well we write its name means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At middle carbon only there 5 carbons means pent. All are single bonds means N. That is at third carbon means 3 chloro. Its name is 3-chloropentane. Its name is 3-chloropentane. This is secondary prefix. This is root word. This is primary suffix. This is primary suffix. Secondary prefix position is 3. Secondary prefix position is 3. Now, what rules we are using in that one? In IUPAC nomenclature, that one we will discuss in next class. Thank you.